Hi guys, just a quick update on gold. Gold is currently trading at $2,355. And this is how it looks, right? This is gold on the 4-hour time frame. So remember how I was saying I'm expecting gold to trade into this area of support. Then we'll now start looking for buying opportunities, right? Well, the market opened and then gold just immediately gapped up. And then it hasn't been ranging around this price range, right? It has not really come down into the support. So right now I'm just sitting on the sidelines waiting to see what will happen. I would have loved to see gold, come into this area of support, weak down, even if it doesn't, come all the way down to clear this support. But if it breaks this low right here and then it now bounces up, start giving me some, bullish indication, bullish confirmation, then of course I'll happily jump into the trade. But as it is right now, I'm not comfortable to go into this trade at this price point. I really want to see gold come down at least to this point, take out this area, then it moves up like this. So let's just be patient and wait to see what the market does. I'm not going to rush into this just yet. Then let's check out my BTC trade that I took. This is what it looks like. So as it is now, it seems like BTC is still gonna hold this support around 62K because it took out my stop loss and it's already pushing to the upside. So that means we're likely gonna see the bullish continuation, right? We're likely gonna see BTC take out 73K and head all the way to 80K, even up to 100K, probably, or we may still see it come back down, break this support right here, and continue to sell off all the way to 52K or 53K. Now, the thing is, uh, the halving is just in some days, like some days away from now, and there are already speculations that this dump right here we got was just the pre-halving dump, and usually there's a dump before the halving, of which we get, eaten up after the halving. So let's just see how it goes. I'm not really interested in taking any position again. I'll just allow my bags to, run, my sports bags to run. I'm not interested in taking any trade on BTC right now anymore. Even though this is an area of supply that one can watch to see how price reacts, and then you trade accordingly. This here. So price can potentially react on this zone right here. But then let's just see how it goes. So let's quickly look at Euro USD and GBP USD. Let me give you my forecast for the week, what I expect to happen this week. So this is Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, was this CPI? I guess this was CPI, right? Yeah, this was CPI. So CPI was the catalyst for this huge sell-off, right? So price came, swept liquidity here, and then boom, it came all the way, broke this area of support, and then it's already trading down here. So I still expect some bearish continuation on Euro USD, right? So what I'm waiting to see is for price to trade back up to this level of support and wait to see if it acts as a level of resistance now. So if I see that, then I'm willing to continue selling Euro USD to the downside, right? So this is what I want to see, something like this on Euro USD this week. So this is what I want to see. Let's start analysis from the monthly and see what it looks like. Okay, monthly bearish. Seeing a lot of bearish movement on the monthly chart, on the monthly time frame. Okay, now see the previous week's candle. Give us a very, very strong bearish candle. I mean, whoever is looking at this chart right now will definitely know that the the trend has changed, right? Because we were actually in a bearish trend right from the top right here. It's just that we got some, correction here. Let me delete this. We got some correction here, and then now the price has broken the support and is trading down here. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to enter a sell around this area, around this region, to target all the way to this place, because we may just get, a little correction of this move and then continuation. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. So the plan for this is wait for price to come into this level, see how price reacts to this level, and then look for a continuation. Similar stuff on GBP USD. This is how GBP USD is. The same thing, broke this area of support, waiting for price to come back, trade back here, wait to see if it gives us a nice 4-hour bearish engulfing candle, then we look to sell, right? So it's very simple. We will be targeting down here, this horizontal line here. So that's it for this week, guys. I hope you guys have a profitable week this week. And it's actually very simple. Just stick to your strategy, stick to your trading system. Don't dabble into setups that you normally will not take, setups that are outside your system, because those will just, create unnecessary losses for you. So one of the things that will help you gain confidence in the market is when you backtest your strategy. Every week, you see these two vertical lines, this is the price action for a week. So what I do is I come to the 4-hour time frame and I draw these vertical lines and I look at the price action for the previous week. This is the price action for the previous week on the 4-hour time frame. Then I look at it and I'm wondering, how would I have entered the market? Like in retrospect, what would I have done? I look at the various trading opportunities. I look at my setups, my particular setup, my unique trading system. How many times did it appear this week? How many times did it show? How many times did it print? So that's what will help to give you confidence that even if you don't chase after this this setup that you just see and you feel like it's going to play out, even if you don't chase after it and you wait for your ideal setup, it will show up. Even if it shows up once or twice in a week, you're still going to make money off that. And if you trade more than one pair, you can still check the other pair. And then in a week, you can get up to 2 or 3 of those ideal setups that will print you money instead of just chasing after random setups, impulsively trading random ideas that just pop into your head, and then you end up losing money. So when you look at your trading history at the end of the week, you will be wondering, why did I take so many trades? And whenever you see so many trades, you will see that that week is usually very stressful. And at the end of the day, those so many trades end up in losses and they make your week not as profitable as it should be. But then when you just take 2, 3 trades, you see how very clean your trading history is. That's how it's also your profit, your P&L will also be clean and most likely in profit. So as I always say, guys, if you stick to your trading rules, you stick to your trading strategy and system, you already have an edge. Like you have an edge where you've seen it to be profitable, you've seen it to be consistent over time. All you need to do is to stick to that edge. And if you do stick to that edge, you will always have either of these 3 outcomes. It's either you end the week in a small loss, or you end the week in a small win, or you end it in a very big win, or you end it in break even. So these four outcomes, right? So guys, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also check the description of this video for the link to my Deriv, where I share all my trades. And if you want to learn my strategy, my simple trading strategy, you can check the video attached to this video. You'll find where I break down my simple trading strategy that has made me a lot of money. So cheers, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.